Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This is a design to make this tennis ball. If you like this project and want to see more, like and subscribe the channel. To start the project, we need to create a new sphere. Select the base and the center point with 65 millimeters. In a center plane, create a new sketch. Select slot and center. Click that. Remember you can download this drawing, the first link of the description. This is 65 millimeter, in the middle it's 20 millimeter. 20 millimeters. You can take this line, make everything align. Everything align. Finish the sketch. Select the surface tab. Make this symmetric with a new body. Use this surface to trim the body, split body. Select the sphere and select the plane. Select OK. Now we have the surface and the two bodies. We need to create a plane along the path. Click here. And need to move this plane like that. Okay. Create a sketch in this plane. A small circle with 3 millimeters diameter. Select the sweep tool. Select the profile. Select the path. Operation cut. Now we have the profile of the tennis ball. Add some fillets here, 1 millimeter. And we apply some colors. The yellow one. And select the yellow for the body. Okay, we can combine these two bodies here. Operation join. And apply another color in the surface here. To be more realistic. Here and here. If you want to design this drawing, you can use this design drawing. Select the drawing. Okay. Select the design here. Enable the sketch. And start to do some dimensions. Here is the diameter. This is the radius. You can cut this For a better visualization, select this here and select the diameter of the small circle. Apply another view here, here, and here. And with that you have the tennis ball and the drawing with the dimensions. If you like this design, consider to subscribe here and see you in the next video.